So, hello sa inyo mga box, no? Simple lang ang gagawin natin ngayon mga box. At isa na namang reaction video ang gagawin natin tungkol sa tawag ng tanghalan. By the way, salamat sa magandang suporta na ibinigay nyo sa akin dun sa last video ko tungkol sa tawag ng tanghalan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At simulan na natin tong reaction natin tungkol kay Noven Balyesa na champion ng tawag ng tanghalan. In 3, 2, 1, action. Pero supply yung kakantayin niya mga box. Standing ovation kagad. Unang linya pa lang yon. Oh, Jovit Baldivino yata. Wow. We are a son, no one else you love. Loves you in so many ways. Here I am, the one that you love, asking for another day. Understand, the one that you love, loves you in so many ways. The night has come, a part of yesterday. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. When love is here and the world Oh, dalawang song ba yun? Dalawang song? Astig, bro. Ikaw ng hari ng air supply.
But it slips through like soft cream tears, and we're drying the tears and build it all like
Oh. Wow. Nakakabilib. Wow.
hold me as close as love will now, until all your years are gone. What has our past is over now. I'm here with you. I'm holding on.
Wow. That's big. Wow. Grabe, astig niya, bro. Wow. Pwede si Mitoy, ano? Parang ka-genre eh. Ang galing. Wow. Wow! Mitoy! Parang Mitoy, no? Wow. So, movie review tayo mga box. Unang-una nagustuhan ko yung pagka-cover niya ng air supply. Napaka-astig naman guys, no? Sa totoo lang, gayang-gaya niya talaga yung air supply. Hindi na ako nagtaka kaya siya nanalo kasi yun naman tayo mga Pilipino, di ba? Na basta gayang-gaya na talaga na-attract tayo sa galing. Kasi pang international talaga yung boses ni Noven Hindi ako makakaano na pag hindi siya nanalo Even though sa magubat ako, magaling magaling si Noven. Magaling talaga siya. So, doon na po nagtatapos ang maikli nating video tungkol kay Noven Valleza na champion ng tawag ng tanghalan. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.
I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.